This is a free hypnosis. Please be sure that you're not driving or operating heavy machinery or wrangling your kids or anyone else while you're listening to this. Please be in a safe place. A gong is going to sound, and then the hypnosis will start. Please note that this is not mental health treatment, nor should it replace mental health treatment. If you need mental health treatment, please seek treatment from a trained professional. I do hypnosis all over the world, so please feel free to contact me. For a moment, open your eyes, roll your eyes all the way up towards the sky or ceiling. Take a deep inhale, and on your exhale, close them from top to bottom, just releasing all your energy as you do this. Now soften any areas of tension. Just noticing if any area in your body needs a little more attention to release the tension than another. And just encourage it to soften, release, relax. If you like, you can do a deep, even breath, letting the breath slow to a wonderfully regular pace. Or you can just breathe naturally, not paying attention to your breath at all, as it will naturally slow as you go further into relaxation. And imagine yourself, feel yourself, sense that you're wrapped in a beautiful cocoon of relaxation. And if you like, you can give it a beautiful color or sound. The temperature is perfect. And let this feel wonderful. Imagine it and feel it and sense it as beautiful. In this moment, let yourself feel good, no matter what else is going on in your life or in your body. With each exhale, as you go deeper into relaxation, you can allow background noise to become background, fade into the distance, not needing your attention right now. Or if something or someone truly did, you'd be able to easily reorient and handle whatever you need to handle. Now, my voice can do that too. You can pay attention to every word or the spaces between words or how that changes as we go on. Or you can let it drift into the background, not needing to pay attention, knowing that your subconscious mind is absorbing whatever it needs to absorb to help you in your life. I'll quiet down here for a minute or so while you go into a deeper relaxation, just naturally and easily putting yourself into a dreamlike state. Now, if you like, you can think of a specific time in the future and take a moment to really see this in your mind. It may be close to the present, it may be far, or somewhere in between. But notice where you are in this specific time and something you're doing, even if it's relaxing. And when you have that specific time in the future, simply look around you, notice what's around you, what sounds are around you or lack thereof, what the air is like, even how it smells if you like. And just notice how it feels wonderful to be there and wonderful in your body. How content you are, how good you feel. There may be excitement along with that contentedness or happiness. The feeling is there, and this is the time to feel that and to let that feeling of contentness or happiness, perhaps joy, spread all through your body, starting at your heart center and spreading down through the tips of your toes, down through your fingertips, up through your chest and neck and head and face, and out through the crown of your head. Just notice how you are doing that in the future, how your whole body is resonating with contentment, and how good that feels. Like a beautiful, warm feeling in your body, your heart, your spirit. If there are others around you in this future place and time, let them notice how content you are. Let them see you glowing and feeling so good about yourself. Notice that they are happy for you. They are happy for your happiness. Now we're going to store those feelings. Hold on to them, feeling them deep in your body. They're going into every cell. And these are a special gift that you can take back with you into the present, that you're able to time travel with. Imagine them expanding in your body in the present. Wrapping your entire body, the feeling of contentedness. What a beautiful gift you've given yourself. And realize that you have the ability to create this feeling right now And you'll continue to create this feeling as much as you desire to. Whether or not events around you line up with this feeling. The more you feel this way and put yourself into this state, the more events will line up with this feeling, creating an even deeper sense of contentedness, happiness, or joy if you choose. Now I'm going to pause here while your subconscious mind makes any and all necessary shifts and changes it needs to help you create this feeling whenever you like. Now, during this pause, if you'd like to create any other positive feeling, you have the chance to do so. Now, in a moment, I'm going to count from 5 to 1. If you're listening to this at night and you've fallen asleep for the night, then you'll remain in a deep and peaceful sleep unless something or someone needs your attention. Otherwise, as you sleep through the night, your body will cycle through all the stages of sleep as necessary, and you'll awaken feeling refreshed and ready for the day ahead. If you're listening to this in the daytime, though, then the number 1 will be a signal to reorient, feel grounded, alert, and ready to continue about the rest of your day or evening. Feeling a wonderful sense of the feeling you created. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.